Hey style lovelies, welcome again to my channel. I'm super excited about this video. Okay, so I went into Target today casually and I found that there's a new drop. It's called the Future Collective by Kahlana Barfield Brown. I'm so sorry if I did not pronounce her name right. Oh my god, this collection is so beautiful. I was scanning through the store and scanning through her collections. Her collection actually has a lot of pieces that are actually functional. It has this bag, they come in green and blue in the Target that I went to. That's a lovely neat dress. It comes in blue and in black as well. I picked mine in a size small, and I'm just looking at her picture, looking at a brief biography about her. I never heard about her until today. So I just went ahead and looked at what she had. She had a bit of colors. I saw the orange, I saw the green, really functional clothes like I mentioned, really lovely style. The orange one I'm looking at here has a very beautiful cutout at the back of it, but I did not find my size. A lot has actually been sold out in my size because I didn't hear about the drop on time. Like I said, I casually went into Target. Okay, they had pieces for workwear, they had blazers, they had pant trousers. So I was looking at that black knit dress, really lovely, had this lovely button detail by the side. Again, I picked it up in a size small so I could try it out and see how it works. For that one, I could actually have done an extra small, but the small was fine. So I was looking at this, I think it was a top or so, but I didn't have my size. They were all very big sizes available. And I went on to look at this skirt, really lovely, gorgeous orange skirt, and he also had a matching like a bralette crop type top as well, which I forgot to pick up when I was going to the fitting room. And he also had a matching crop t-shirt, an orange crop t-shirt. That one was really nice, but I picked the blue one instead. Okay, and I was looking at this denim. The denim didn't have my size. It had it only in a size 6, which was a little bit too tight. I wanted a little bit freer, but I picked it up however to try. It looked really good. One thing I must add is the price. The price is so fair. I also love that top, but they didn't have my size in it at all. I'll probably check online to see if I'll find my size. And I also picked this two-piece set. I tried on the skirt and the top. It was super short. You guys should see all of the try on. I did like a fitting room try on, so I'll show you guys. So yeah, that's the top of the skirt I told you guys about. And they also had blazers. I was super excited. They had this very striped, lovely knitwear. They had the workwear pants as well, which I also tried out. This was my favorite of them all. You see this plaid two-piece, but they didn't have my size at all. That really, I didn't like that. I wish I could get it. I'll try online. And I looked at this white blouse. It has this, is I think it's a dupe for one Jacquemus blouse or shirt, I'll call it. So I really like that. That was going for $28. And I had this pinstripe shirt, which was really nice and quite inexpensive for $28, if I must say. Okay, so I was just looking around. They had this denim skirt. Again, I didn't find my size because I'm sure I went there pretty late. And they had also this crop tops, which I picked the green one. It had this cutout by the side, which made it really gorgeous. And you see, like the purse, I tried the purse out, really gorgeous. It had it coming in blue, and it also comes in green as well. Really nice. So I was just, looking around. I also saw the striped shirt. I didn't pick that. I'm not sure why. Maybe I didn't find my size. I am not sure why I did not try that shirt. Okay, so I went on to just scan around to see what other things I could get. So remember the black knit dress? That's a blue one of it, but they were sold out in all my size. I tried the crop tops, both crop tops. I tried the skirt as well, and this that denim was so gorgeous. I picked that as well. So I'm just showing you like a brief like say I'll say a b-roll, if I'll call that, of the collection that they had. Really gorgeous. So what I would say is, if you don't find your style or what you want or your size in store, just go online and I guess you might still find a few to actually get or buy. This collection is beautiful. This collection has functional pieces, emphasis on functional pieces. Okay, things you can wear for fall, things you can wear for the winter, These you can wear for even next year's summer as well. They have colorful items. They also had like colors you can actually like neutral colors, I would say. So this collection is a win-win. Again, I never heard of this designer, but I'm so intrigued by her design. So on the next scene, you see me, trying out all the clothes. Tell me the one that you like the most of all of the items. This is a black knit dress. I was telling you guys, I paired this up with a green purse. Please don't mind me. Like I said, I casually went to Target. I did not go to try on any clothes, but when I found this collection, I thought to try it on. Okay, this knit is a must buy. It's thick enough for the winter. Then this is the skirt I showed you guys that also had the crop top, but I didn't try it on with the crop top. I tried on with this dupe of this Jackie Mills dupe shirt. It's so lovely. I picked the shirt in a size 8 and I picked the skirt in a size 8 as well. Really, really, really gorgeous. Like if you style this nicely with your boots or your palms, this will come out really gorgeous. Have your hair nicely done and all that. It's going to be like a win-win, a 10 over 10 for me if you ask me, okay? Right. And we'll move on to the very next one. This is a workwear pant. I didn't like it. I didn't like the length for me. I like my workwear pants really, really long. So I didn't buy this at all because I was pairing up with this white shirt as well. But you see, no, I didn't pick that. And this is a crop top I talked about. So, so lovely. And I moved on to pair it up to try on this dad jeans with the green purse and the cord. Okay, I had tried the cord with its matching skirt, but it was way too short. I was like, I'm not going to wear this at all. So I thought to try the top with the denim. And nextly, we had the denim with the crop t-shirt. You know I'm a lover of t-shirt, hence why you see me dancing right there. Pretty inexpensive, $16 for the t-shirt. The denim was about $40, I think. Yeah. And I also tried out this cord, this skirt, and this bralette type crop top. I love the bralette, but the skirt is making me look like, I don't know. The skirt is a no for me, but it's pretty anyway. If you pair it up nicely with a nice trench or a nice blazer and a nice boot, I'm sure it will come out super, super, super gorgeous. I love the shade of blue paired with black perfectly well. And then we'll move on to the blazer. So I tried on the blazer with the dad denim and with the also with the blue bralette. The blazer for me wasn't a structure that I would think that I like it. I'm trying on the small. I need to let you know that the blazer runs large because this is a small, and see how it is on my body. I didn't really like it, so I didn't pick it at all. Okay, so I'll just showing you in detail. On the sleeve, it has this very lovely detail on the sleeve. It has a belt for you to cinch in the waist as well. And then moving on, we have this what's it called, the shirt, which is a pinstripe shirt. I really love the shirt. I really, really loved it. Just $28. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe. Thank you so very much for watching this video and leave in the comment section which was your favorite. Bye guys.